In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Twitter not loading. First, check your internet connection and try another network. This step is crucial because a poor or unstable connection can prevent Twitter from loading properly. You might see a message indicating that you are offline. If you are on Wi-Fi, ensure that your signal is strong. Alternatively, switch to mobile data and see if that resolves the issue. When you change networks, keep an eye on your device's connectivity icons. A quick test is to open another app or website. This can confirm whether the problem is with your internet or the Twitter app itself. Once that is done, close and reopen the X app or refresh x.com. This action helps in re-establishing the connection to Twitter's servers. On mobile, swipe up from the bottom of the screen or double-click the home button to view recently used apps. Find the Twitter app and swipe it away to close it. After a few seconds, tap the app icon again to reopen it. If you are using a web browser, look for the refresh icon or press the F5 key on your keyboard. You should notice a loading animation as the page refreshes. This ensures that you are accessing the latest version of the site. Next up, restart your device. Restarting can resolve various technical glitches that might affect app performance. For mobile devices, press and hold the power button until you see the option to turn off your device. After a few seconds, turn it back on. For computers, click on the Start menu, select the power icon, and choose Restart. This step clears temporary files and resets your connection. It's a simple yet effective way to fix many issues, giving your device a fresh start. After that, update the X app or your browser. Keeping your apps and browsers up to date is essential for smooth operation. Updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements. To update the app on mobile, go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Twitter, and tap Update if available. For browsers, check for updates in the Settings menu. This ensures that you are using the most stable version, which can significantly enhance your experience. At this point, turn off any VPN temporarily. VPNs can sometimes interfere with your connection to Twitter, causing it not to load. If you have a VPN enabled, disconnect from it and try loading Twitter again. Look for the VPN app on your device and disable it. This step is important because it allows for a direct connection to the internet, which may resolve loading issues. Next, clear the app or browser cache and cookies. Cache data can become corrupted over time, leading to problems with loading websites. For the Twitter app, go to your device settings, find the app, and select Clear Cache. If you are using a browser, access the settings, find privacy or history options, and select Clear Browsing Data. Choose to delete cached images and files, along with cookies. This action clears out old data and creates a clean slate for the app or site to load fresh content. From there, disable browser extensions or ad blockers temporarily. Sometimes these add-ons can block certain content from loading properly. To do this, go to your browser settings and look for the extensions section. You can disable them one by one to see if any are causing the issue. This is a useful troubleshooting step that can help you identify if an extension is the culprit. Finally, try using private or incognito mode or another browser. This mode prevents the browser from using stored cookies or cached data, which can help in loading Twitter correctly. Open a new private or incognito window from your browser menu. Alternatively, download a different browser and see if Twitter loads there. This approach can help you work around any persistent loading issues. Following these steps can help you fix the problem of Twitter not loading. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out.